Okay, I wanted to do a really quick video review of Zoya versus Essie versus Sinful colors. I really like this color Houseboat. Oh, sorry, Boathouse. I keep calling it Houseboat. Boathouse from Essie, but it chips horribly. It's the one in the middle here. And then I also have Thimbleberry from Sinful Colors. I really like this color, but it's a little bit more different from Houseboat than, it's a little bit darker. So if you can kind of see this, we'll do this really quick and get a better shot of the color. It's on the left here, and Houseboat's in the middle, and then on the right is Zoya Elodie. So Elodie is actually a lot closer to the Essie Houseboat. I would have bought a newer version of Boathouse, but I don't think they make it anymore. So I think that the older versions of Essie tend to chip more quickly, but you can tell here that the Boathouse is very, very close to Elodie. And Thimbleberry's pretty close, but it's a little bit darker, so it's a very distinctively different shade. But these two are really spot on, and I'll put on that one at some point soon and see how long it lasts. But as I wanted to mention really quickly, the older Essies tend to chip. The newer Essies, I've not had one that chips. And this one's possibly the worst chipping nail polish I've ever had, but I really love the color, and so I was trying to replace it. And recently just got the Zoya Elodie. Anyway, thought I'd do a really quick review. Hope you like it.